Hi, Namaskar. Today I am going to make turkey wings. Crispy from outside but juicy from inside. So good looking, man. Let's start. In this recipe I am using my own garden fresh herbs. This chicken wings already I clean, and now with the paper towel we have to dry it, and after that we'll season it. So give a cut. If you see anything which you don't need, remove that. Turkey wings is ready to marinate. Let's start. Now season with olive oil, salt, garlic powder, Italian mix, chili flakes, bay leaf, smoked paprika, and my friends, give a good massage. Marination should reach each and every wings. Now we have this pan to roast. Just spread all over the tray. Onion, carrot, garlic, celery, lemon, and you will get the taste of each when your chicken wings will be ready. Again you put little olive oil. Arrange your turkey wings. Don't leave any marination. Put it everything. You will get the flavor of all these spices. Red wine. Now your marinated chicken is ready to bake it. On top put thyme and cook it 325 degree for 45 to 1 hour. Add chicken broth, and you see after 1 hour temperature is so good. It's 325 degree. Whenever you see the dripping juice, just spread on the chicken wings. That's make the crispy. Drain it. Drain your dripping. Now whatever vegetable you see, arrange on your serving dish. Lemon, carrot, celery, everything. Now we'll make that dripping juice sauce to cover the wings. Reduce half. Just check the seasoning, add garlic powder and thicken, reduce it half. This is the coating consistency. Just pour on top to the wings and you will see, oh, this is super. I'm tasting, so I know that this super dish pan. So if you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.